Hello everyone, my name is Oum Saokosal. Today I just want to make a quick video about inheritance in Java. So assume that you have this kind of simple class and I will create another class, let's say animal, a typical example for inheritance. And maybe you have a method like scream, and this one is like any animal. So I will say animal screen, right? And then you can have like cat, and also you can have the same stream, and maybe meow, like that, right? And dog, scream, and maybe dog, box. Yeah. So as you can see now, these three classes have the same method. But if you try, let's say, create an object called A1, new animal, you can call scream, of course. Yep. Oh, forgot to call it from here. Okay, now you can see animal scream. But if you try to change it, let's say A1, and you want to change to cat, okay, you cannot do that, you see. And if you try to run it, you have the error like incompatible type, because the A1 is an animal, you cannot change it. So the reason that we use inheritance is actually about polymorphism. So let me just do a quick inheritance. So in Java, you have extend as the inheritance keyword. So you want to inherit uh, from animal. The same to dog here. And you can see now the A1, the object A1 now become cat. Okay. And then you can call it to the method of the cat here. So what is the point of polymorphism? Of inheritance is that you can switch your object from one class to another, but make sure they have in the same root. Okay, you can do it with dog as well. See that? You can do that, and you can call the same string method here. So assume that you have a game, okay, a character. Let's say class of plane. It was a popular game before. Maybe level. Okay, you can see the character here. So maybe your level 1 character is this guy, and then you want to upgrade to the level 2, level 3, level 4, etc. Right? So instead of um, put all the character in one object, you can have multiple objects along the game, because maybe your version 1 of the game you have these characters only, but after like after your game was popular, you want to create it more characters and then maybe put more levels on that, you can just do it like that. You don't have to make another method in the previous class. You just create a new class, and also the class in Java you don't necessarily have the same like many classes in the same file like that. You usually have a separate file for the class. Let's say now you have a new character for the game, for the animal. I don't know, maybe what is it? Maybe um, wolf, maybe, yeah, and just call Java like that. Okay, and then you want to embed your wolf into your previous game, like to the animal, and then you want to switch it because now your XP is getting better. You want to switch to wolf like that, but you cannot do that because wolf is not the same animal. So what you will do is very simple. You just call extends and to the previous class. So animal here, because they are in the same package, you can just call it without import. And then even better, you can just, I think, press override. I'll enter on that and then override the method screen. So it will make sure that the screen method will come to your subclass. This is called subclass. And then you can do a lot with that. Okay, let's say wool. I don't know, screen. I don't know what is the sound of the wool, but now you can do that. See? Okay. Um, cannot find it. Uh, maybe maybe I use maybe I should use package for this, but let's try to run this. Okay. Yeah, I think so. Okay, but this one is not working. Maybe it's okay. Now I can see my wolf can scream now. Okay, so that is the point of the inheritance, is that you let your subclasses inherit from a single parent, and then you can just switch from one to another, just like the character in the game. You can even switch from one character to another. You don't have to do the in the same character from this guy to this guy. You can just switch from here to here as well. And as you can see, a lot of game with a gun, like you can switch from a knife to a gun, or maybe to a shotgun, or maybe to other weapon, right? Yeah, that is the point of polymorphism. So I hope that you understand it a little bit more, and if you still struggle to understand, maybe you can comment in the comment section down below, and don't forget to share it and give some like. Also subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.